Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare a lovely sweet and sour pork. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get further contents like these. The ingredients for this sweet and sour pork will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Java Beats exclusive.
Now guys, here's what you need to prepare your sweet and sour pork. You're gonna need some corn flour, you're gonna need some dark soy sauce, also some vinegar. You're gonna have to use some ketchup. You're gonna use half cup of pineapple juice, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder seasoning. You're also gonna need some pineapple. Right here I got some sweet pepper, also some onion. You're gonna need half teaspoon of salt, and also 1 cup of white granulated sugar. And I also got some tenderloin pork that I've already cleaned up with my vinegar and cut them up in cube shapes, guys, just like this. I'm gonna start out by seasoning my pork. I'm using my half teaspoon of salt, also my 1 teaspoon of black pepper, my garlic powder, and also my paprika, guys. I'm also going to use 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. That's it. Just give that a rub now. Rubbing all your seasoning on the pork. I'm just gonna tip some soy sauce on this. A teaspoon of soy sauce. There you have it, guys. Just give that a rub now, rubbing all of that seasoning on your pork. Starch and everything on it. Guys, if you're wondering why I'm wearing the gloves, it's just that I don't mess up my hand. You don't have to use the gloves if you don't want, it's up to you. There you have it. I'm just going to cover this up with my cling film. I'm just going to leave it to marinate for about 45 minutes before I start to fry it up, guys. This one side now, guys. As my pork is marinated, I'm going to make my sweet and sour sauce. I'm going to need 1 cup of ketchup, 1 cup of ketchup, guys. I'm going to need 1/4 cup of vinegar, also my half cup of sugar, and also 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, guys. Now guys, I'm just gonna mix this. Mix it now, guys. You mix it in good. Guys, I'm going to sit this one side until I'm ready for it. Preparing my pork for frying. So I'm going to put some cornstarch in this bowl so I can use it to coat my pork before I put it in the oil, guys. In the meanwhile you're doing this, you can preheat your oil at medium heat for about 5 minutes before you start to add your pork inside of it, guys. Also, you're gonna need 2 eggs, and this is what you're gonna dip your pork in before you put it into your cornstarch. So guys, you're gonna need a plate. So when you dip them in the egg and then you put them in the cornstarch, you put them one side on the plate. Just like that, guys. Shake off the excess. And you dip them in your cornstarch, guys, just like that. Shake out the excess, put them in the plate there. Guys, you're gonna continue the process until like this, until you're finished dipping all your pork into the egg and also your cornstarch, guys. Finish coated my pork in my corn flour. Yes guys, I have my oil here preheating. I think it is ready for my porks to go inside. I'm gonna deep fry them, guys. So that, guys, I'm gonna add them in one. Guys, you're gonna fry them for about 10 to 12 minutes roughly. Just like that, guys. Now guys, after that 10 to 12 minutes, now these can be removed. I'm just gonna add some more. So that, guys, looking golden brown. There you have it, guys. Just like that. I'm gonna add some more. Pork frying up, it's smelling so lovely and it's delicious already, and I don't add my sweet and sour sauce to it, guys, my thyme and the rest of my ingredients, guys. Hope you guys try this one at home, it's so lovely. Here you have it, guys. That's how you fry up your pork. Just like that. These are ready to come out now. This is the last of it. Amazing, guys. This is amazing. It smells so lovely. There you have it, guys. That's how you want to fry up your pork before you cook it down with sweet and sour sauce, guys. There you have it, guys. That's how you want your pork to look. Looking golden brown. Looking so lovely. Smelling so nice, guys. Just like that. Now guys, after finish frying up your pork, now it's time to fry up your seasoning and also add your sauce into the pot, or your pork into it. I'm just going in with 3 tablespoons of oil. Yes, guys, on medium heat. Peppers. And my onion. You guys fry up your seasoning. guys, so about 20 seconds. Make those seasoning fry down. Now guys, after that 20 seconds of frying up your seasoning, just gonna give it a stir. Right. You're gonna add your sauce that you make from earlier. Just like that. The sweet and sour sauce. So just add it in now with your onion and sweet pepper. So just give that a stir, mix it around in it. Just like that, guys. Just give that a stir it properly. Keep your seasoning inside. Guys. Then you're going to add your pineapples. Stir a bit. Stir just like that. And also your pineapple juice. Just give that a stir now, guys. Guys, I'm just going to give that 10 seconds now just to cook down. Now guys, after that 10 seconds, now you're going to add your pork in. So guys, now you're going to give that a stir, guys. Let me get a spoon. Get a spoon. So guys, now you're going to stir this around, guys. Make sure your fire is on low heat. Stir it around in your sauce. Sauce is all over the pork, guys. Now guys, you're gonna leave this about the next 20 minutes to cook down. Your pork cook down into your sauce. Checking back on it now after that 20 minutes, guys, cooking down. There you have it, guys. Looking so amazing, smelling so delicious, guys. This is how you want your sweet and sour pork to look, guys, and your sauce, your pine and everything in it, guys. Oh guys, it's smelling so amazing. Now guys, this is finished. I can turn this off now. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. I hope you guys give this one a try at home, guys. It's smelling so lovely. It's a delicious recipe, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get further contents from me, guys. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Until next time.